Good morning, everybody. Welcome to OTA 236. This is your behavioral health interventions class, and we're going to have a great time this semester. At least that's what I'm hoping, and I'm hoping y'all are going to be ready with doing your pre-readings and all that wonderful stuff. I know the semester didn't really start out like we were hoping it would with all this snow and everything else, but I hope everybody's having a great time being snowed in with the family and the neighbors and the children and the grandchildren and everybody else. So this is your syllabus. I hope everybody printed it out and is ready to roll this semester. There are a lot of things posted on Moodle for you to do for class today, this week, and you need to get it done and get it done today, between today and tomorrow. There's a Moodle assignment that is also due. It will go into your Moodle assignments section of your grading, and we'll go over that in just a minute. So page number 1, let's go through that. Description of the course. You all are kind of familiar with those types of things, course objectives. Please make sure that you read through the course objectives. The intent is to actually go through and achieve each and every one of these course objectives throughout the semester. There are 7 for this course, and we will hit on each and every one of them. The learning outcomes as outlined by ACODE and the ACODE standards that we have for this course, there are quite a few, and we will hit each and every one of these. As you will see, your syllabus has changed. As of 6:30 yesterday, I reposted the syllabus, and we will go over some of the major highlighted changes that will be addressed. Throughout this video, you're going to hear my children because they're out of school. So they will be here. Come here, Catherine and Savannah. Come on. Here's my oldest, Savannah, my youngest, Catherine, and they are out of school, so they're very excited to be here with you all. All right, deuces. Yeah. Okay, so we talked about the ACODE standards. Please look at them. They will be addressed based off of the weeks that is listed for them to be addressed. Let's go over grading and how you're going to get graded for this class. Fieldwork is 25% of your course. I do not have much oversight on that 25%. That is with Miss Champagne, and she will address that issue with you if she has not already done so in another class. Professional behavior and participation. If you look at page 6 and 7, it will go over how you will be graded. It is on a 10-point scale. That 10-point scale will be averaged at the end of the semester. You are going off of 11 days of class. That includes today, and that includes the assignments that you have listed for today. That will be counted as part of that 10%, where it looks at things like time management and attendance. That is, did you turn it in on time? Did you turn those assignments in on time that are due today? When we do have class, it's do you come in on time? Are you there and present? Yes. The other points are worth 6. It is not a competition. Everybody can earn 6 or everybody can earn 3. It just depends on how you come in, how you participate, and how you behave. Are you professional when you're in class? So that's what we're looking at for that professional behavior and participation. Your OT and behavioral health essay, you will get a very specific grading rubric for that, and we will go over that as we get closer to that time. That will be due February 15th. It is a day we do not have a face-to-face class. However, it is a week of class. Therefore, you will have things to do. You will have pre-readings for that class. And if you look at your course schedule and assignments, it is listed there that your behavioral health essay is due that day. It is due that day. Okay? It is due 15 February. Again, a very specific grading rubric will come out for that. It is to highlight things about behavioral health and occupational therapy now and in the future, and what your expectations are for it. It is also slightly summarized on page 8 of your syllabus. If you go to there, it will talk a little bit about what you're going to need to do for that. Okay, I'm not going to read it to you. You all can read it yourselves. Midterm exam. There will be a formal midterm exam. You will come into class. We will do a midterm exam. That will be the week of 14 March, which is 2 weeks after spring break. Okay, you will come in. You will take a formal assessment. Again, that will be a assessment that has true, false, multiple choice, short answer, and things like that in it. Okay. So yes, my children are drinking tea, so you will hear them drinking tea. So that is what that will be. So I expect that you all are prepared for a midterm exam. On the grading, going back to page 4 of the grading, you have 2 in-class assignments. Those in-class assignments are the diagnosis chart, which we will go through, and the theories chart, which we'll go through. Those will be due at the end of class. I will check them off after you complete it, and it will say that you did it well, and formal grading rubrics will go out for that as well prior to the time that they are due. We will have in-class assignments to go over various diagnoses. We will be going over diagnoses from 8 February to 7 March. And I will give you those diagnosis charts right back after that because you do have a midterm exam that you will need to study those diagnoses for. Same thing with the theories chart. You will need the theories chart for everything that you're going to go through for your group presentations. So you will have that right back as well. The group presentations, that is a major, major project. As you notice, it is worth 15% of your grade. It's worth the largest percent of your grade for one single activity. Each and every one of you will lead a group. If you look at your weekly, if you look at the weekly course schedule and assignments, during the week course schedule and assignments, you will see individual presentations are going from for April until 25 April. So basically the entire month of April, we will be doing group presentations, and that is what the entire class will be about. Our class is a 4.5-hour class. Each person will be doing a group assignment, and each person will have a group for approximately 45 minutes to an hour. Each one of you will lead a group. You will choose numbers once we get into class next week, and you will choose numbers between 1 and 13. That is one other thing that will be changing. Right now it says 1 through 12. We will go through 1 through 13. There are 13 people in this class. So we will be going through that. So be prepared. 45 minutes to an hour. You will be prepared once we get to that point in the semester to lead a group. And I am looking forward to each one of you leading a group.